Hello everyone, welcome back. I would like to say hello to all my subscribers and all my brand new viewers out there. I know it's been a while since I have posted a video, but today I am going to share with you guys a really simple recipe that I will be sharing with you today, and this is going to be a Japanese pancake dorayaki with jam. So there are a couple of ingredients that you will be using in order to make this recipe. You will have to use 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of honey, a 1/4 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of milk or water. So I am briefly going to show you exactly what ingredients you will need, and I will show you step by step on how to make this really delicious recipe. It only requires a couple of minutes to make, and this is really simple to make, especially when you're in a hurry in the morning, you have to go to work. You want something quick, simple, and easy to make, and really delicious. So don't go anywhere because I will be showing you on how to make this. Alright, let's get into this video and let's get these Japanese pancakes going. The first thing that we're going to put in my bowl is 1 egg. Then the next ingredient that I will be putting in there is 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then you will need a half a teaspoon of honey. Once you have those 3 ingredients in your bowl, then you're going to mix it all up. Make sure you mix it really well. Okay, so now that you mixed on all your 3 ingredients into your bowl, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1/4 cup of flour, and the best thing to use is to use one of these strainers. So you're going to put this on your bowl where you're going to mix it all up, and then you're going to add the 1/4 cup of flour. Okay, so just put it right on top of the strainer. Okay, so there's the 1/4 cup of flour. Now I am going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I will be adding half a teaspoon of baking soda. And then the last thing would be to add 1 teaspoon of milk or water, so you have a choice of either or. So now you're going to mix everything that's in your bowl completely until you get a smooth batter. Now that you have the batter all mixed in with all the ingredients, the next step is going to get a saran wrap. You're going to cover your bowl and you're going to set the timer for 15 minutes. So you're just going to let it sit here for 15 minutes, and then after the 15 minutes are up, I am going to show you what the next step is going to be. Alright guys, it's been 15 minutes. My timer just went off right now. So now I'm going to uncover my bowl, and then I'm going to get my pan. I'm going to start warming up my pan for a few seconds here until it gets a little warm. And then we're going to pour some of this batter into our pan, and I'm going to show you how to make these really delicious pancakes. Okay, and we're gonna make sure that we're going to cook these on a very low to medium heat. We don't want them to burn, so we're gonna make sure that we have it on a medium to low heat. So now I'm just going to pour some of this batter into my pan. And we're going to let it cook here for a little bit. And then once we see that the batter starts to get a little bubbly, you'll see some bubbles on the top. And then we're going to flip over the pancakes. Okay, so I just flipped over the pancake. Once it started bubbling, I just flipped it over, and now it's beginning to turn like a golden brown color. So that piece is done. So now I'm going to proceed with the next pancake here, because we're going to need two pancakes, because in the center we're going to add a filling. Now for these pancakes today, I will be putting in some jam, and you have options to use hazelnut. You can use cream cheese with strawberries. You can use any kind of jam of your choice. So there's different options on how to eat these Japanese pancakes, but we're finishing off with this other one, the second piece, and then once it's all completed, and then I will show you how to put the jam in between the two pancakes. I just removed the pancakes out of my pan. So now I am going to add some apricot preserves onto my pancakes. You're just going to spread around a little bit like this. Then you're going to place the other pancake on top, and there is the Japanese pancakes. Now you can eat it with jam. You can use strawberry, you can use apricot like I used today. You can use cream cheese with strawberries or with hazelnut. It's all up to you. They all taste great. I noticed that some people, they use vanilla ice cream, and they put vanilla ice cream in between the pancakes, and they can eat them like that too. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And if you would like to learn more about my channel, don't forget to click on that red button where it says subscribe. Leave me a comment and let me know how your Japanese pancakes turned out, and I will see you next time. Take care.